how to change age restrictions on Netflix. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a Netflix subscription as of the moment, so I cannot go ahead and show it to you guys, but I'll just go ahead and navigate through the Netflix Help Center right here. Now, on the tablet or the iPhone device, you can just go ahead and open up Netflix, click on the menu, and from there you will be able to see the profiles that you have, which is the blue or circle bubbles. Now, right after that, you can just go ahead and navigate through the viewing restrictions, tap on maturity ratings, and you will be able to change your age restrictions on that page right there by confirming it by typing your password. Now, on your computer, it's really simple. All you have to do is to open up your browser, go through your account page profile, and it is basically the same thing. Click on the viewing restrictions and type your password to get into that page right there. Now, inside, you will be able to edit it the way you want to. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.